Congress MP Karti Chidambaram, who has been named in an alleged visa scam case, told the media later today that he will not join the investigation at the Central Bureau of Investigation headquarters in New Delhi. The investigation was to take place today, and Chidambaram was expected to be present at the CBI headquarters. Karti had to appear before CBI within 16 hours of reaching India in order to get bail, failing which a summon order would be issued to him, a CBI official had reported. Meanwhile, on Tuesday, Karti P. Chidambaram claimed that he is not involved in the visa case anyhow. The Border Security Force on Wednesday seized a fishing boat abandoned by Pakistani fishermen in a creek area along the Indo-Pak border near the Kutch district of Gujarat. The boat was sighted by the BSF personnel during patrolling inside the Indian territory in Harmi Nala Creek area on Wednesday morning, and reportedly there were 3 or 4 fishermen on board. On seeing the BSF patrolling party, Pakistani fishermen abandoned their boat and fled to their side of the maritime border. Till now, nothing suspicious has been recovered from the abandoned ship. National Investigation Agency Special Court on Wednesday awarded life imprisonment to Yasin Malik. The NIA today urged the court to give the death penalty to Yasin Malik, a separatist leader from Jammu and Kashmir, while the latter said that he will not beg for anything and left the decision on the court. 2 life imprisonments have been given to Yasin Malik. Besides that, 10 years of rigorous imprisonment in 10 offences and ₹10 lakh penalty. All the punishments will run concurrently, said Advocate Umesh Sharma. Top sources in the government have revealed that the Congress MP Rahul Gandhi skipped the due procedure and had not sought political clearance for his London visit, which has garnered much attention and has come under the scanner for the controversial statements made by the leader. Rahul Gandhi visited UK recently and met British Labour Party leader and MP Jeremy Corbyn. Gandhi also spoke at the Cambridge University. Gandhi accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of remaining silent deliberately on every issue. Heated words were also exchanged between Rahul Gandhi and India's External Affairs Minister Subramanyam Jaishankar on Twitter regarding Rahul Gandhi's London visit.